I think walking a ramp for a brand like Marks and Spencer, which I've grown up wearing, I think it's very special. And when I saw their collection, in fact, I've been to London also and shopped there, the Oxford Street. And I think this collection is really special. It's Spring Summer 2015 Marks and Spencer Reliance collection, which I think it's very trendy. It's very young, beautiful. Love the prints, love the colors, the fabrics. So it was really special, and I saw it backstage. The whole show, I think it was really nice, spectacular. Trust me, five. No, it's too less. There's a lot more. I think when it comes to me, I like it. I think a pair of blue jeans and a white shirt, I think never fails. Especially, I think when it comes to summers, I think cotton fabrics work really wonders. And I think I like to keep it very minimal, not too much, not clothes which have too much busy work on it. I think I love more pastels. I love more floral prints. I really like, in fact, your the autograph collection, which I'm wearing right now in Marks and Spencer, which is very cool. I think the fabric is it's very premium. It's very comfortable. At the same time, looks very floral and girly, and it's very light. You know, it's very soothing to your eyes. So I won't put it in five must-haves because it's done to death now. I'll just talk about what we're here today for.
No, we're really thankful to Yami for coming over and spending the evening with us. She's absolutely gorgeous on the ramp, and obviously, she looks absolutely wonderful. Thank you.
So pictures जरूर बात करते हैं और पूछ ही लिया तो that's called Sanam Ray, that's releasing on Valentine's, that's being directed by Divya Kumar Khosla, and it's with T series. It's opposite Pulkit Samrat, and we're still in the middle of shooting. I can't hear that question, sorry. I'm a very regular girl. I'm a Chandigarh girl, and I love as much as I would like to go for a high-end, shopping. And of course, Marks and Spencer is definitely one of them. I love street shopping as well. Whenever I get a chance to go back home in Chandigarh, I make sure that those street markets. I definitely take a round, and so my wardrobe will always be a mix of brands and street shopping as well. I think the one which I'm wearing right now, I think that's why I chose it. I like the fact that it fits really well. The fabric is really comfortable, and it's something which is very wearable, not just for a showstopper outfit, but also for any of you. And that's something which I really liked. No, I've been away for 4 months, in fact, for shooting back to back for Sanam Ray and one more movie called Junooniyat, Will T series. So I've been shooting in Pelgaon, Srinagar, Patiala, Chel, Shimla, the whole of North. I'm a North Indian, but I've not seen more of North in my life that I've seen in the past 4 months. So I've just come back a week back, and as soon as I was back, I was like, it's time to now hit the ramp and just get going again, Bombay. Of course, definitely होती है, बहुत होती है, and they are all the models here. I think they're professionals. They walk so well with so much gait and poise. And पर हल्का सा तो वो रहता है. I won't lie कि अच्छा what if I trip over or something. But luckily it's never happened. अच्छा मतलब अभी भी छोड़ेंगे नहीं आप नहीं आई थिंक उसमें एक और शब्द है लवली लवली बनाना है सबको I think let's talk about the event. It's really done to that. And trust me, it should just be taken as a brand. It should not be. जितना आप ज़्यादा पूछेंगे, जितना ज़्यादा बात करेंगे, आप खुद ही उसको इतना तवज्जो, इतना highlight कर रहे हैं. So let's just take it as a brand. It's just a part of my work. It's a part of my job. I'm not endorsing anything when I'm not working or anything on such platforms. So that is right now is Yami, the person that I am. So I'm just speaking my heart. I think let's just stick to this event and let's all be lovely. Mr. Nair is going to get really bored. So unless it's something to do with Marks and Spencer, we can't do it now. I better hear from Mr. Nair now. So,
No, 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 you are the celebrity. Carry on.
आई थिंक इंटेग्रेशन जहाँ तक की बात आ रही है वो काफ़ी चीज़ों में हो रहा है, जैसे फैशन और फिल्म्स में, एंड आई थिंक दे हैव ऑलवेज गॉन हैंड इन हैंड. सिर्फ पहले रैम शोज नहीं होते थे, अब ऑफ कोर्स इतने फैशन वीक्स होते हैं, सो यू गेट टू सी, एंड आई थिंक काफ़ी इन्फ्लुएंस होता है ऑफ फैशन, because as an audience, as a normal girl who's watching a film, I remember I used to get influenced, oh my god, that actress is wearing that, and that suddenly next पूरा मैं शॉपिंग करने जाती थी, पूरा स्ट्रीट भरा होता था वैसे से पैटर्न से. सो आई थिंक इट्स ऑलवेज इन सम वे और द अदर, it's always influenced, but now I think it's happening more on bigger, better platforms and such formal platforms. So like we have Marks and Spencers, and I think people relate a lot. It's not about being a celebrity, it's about being that face, that personality which suits the brand, and how people relate to it. So it makes it easier.
Marks and Spencer has been in India for a long time now, and I think we are one of the largest international brands in the country. We have 48 stores today, over 650,000 square feet, present in 18 cities. So I think we have truly penetrated into a number of cities and towns of the country. We compete with the other international brands in all the countries that we trade in. We actually are present in 54 countries, and in pretty much most of these countries, these brands are there. We are known for what we are. We have some absolutely fantastic product combined with the innovation that's there in our products, and of course the service that we offer. I think makes us stand apart, and that's why we have been as successful as we are in the country.
Last question, please.
Yami, apart from endorsing the products, would you like to associate yourself with a social cause, like lots of actresses come up with their videos for a message, like Deepika?
I have been associated with PETA. I have been associated, in fact, I was there in Delhi some time back to formally announce that India is a polio-free country. So I was one of the speakers there, along with a lot of dignitaries. So I do try, of course, and I'd like to take up definitely a notch higher. For example, I am from Himachal, and I'll really like to do something for my state as well. No, I mean, not just, I won't keep it just a state-centric social cause, but when I'll come up with something really concrete and not just to make, come in headlines and just glamorize, oh, I'm doing this and that. I will come up very strongly, don't worry.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank
Have a
you.
great evening. Thank you.